Hello my dear students, hope you all are doing well. In the previous classes we discussed about how to calculate the mean, mode and median. So I think these concepts are clear to you. Today we'll do some more extra questions related to statistics, but before that one relation you should know. A relation is there in mean, mode and median. That is, mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. So all of you write down the relation. Mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. So how to remember this formula? So for that, just check the spellings here. Mean, mode and median. So in mean and median, ME is there, but in mode we have MO. So MO will be alone. So if in left hand side we wrote mode alone, because in rest of the two spellings we have ME. So that ME, they came together and they left mode alone. So in the left hand side we have mode is equal to. Now how to identify whether mean will come or median will come first. So, in mean and median we have more letters, correct? And in mean we have less letters. So, first we wrote median and then we wrote mean. After that, 3 and 2 multiplied here. So, in this way you can learn the formula. Mode is equal to, first median will come, median will be multiplied by 3. So, 3 into median minus 2 into mean. In median, more letters are there. So, that's why it is multiplied by greater number. So you can remember in this way, 1, 2 and 3. Here mode is alone in left hand side, alone. So 1. 1 into mode, that is equal to mode only. Then median and mean. In median more letters are there. So median is multiplied by the greater number 3. Then we have mean. So the only number left is 2. So 2 into mean. So in this way you can learn the relation. Mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. Questions can be asked based on this result there. So, in some cases, mode and median will be given. It can be asked to find the mean. So, you should know the relationship between mean, mode and median. Written? Okay. So, now we will solve some question. All of you write down the first question. Find the arithmetic mean of first n odd natural numbers. Find the arithmetic mean of first n odd natural numbers. So first we can write down the numbers. We have the numbers 1, 3. Odd numbers we want in this way. Total how many numbers are there? That we don't know. So total we can write here n. So here we have numbers there. So how we can calculate the mean? Yes, our formula. Mean is equal to sum of all the observation. So that will be equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. plus n divided by total number of observation divided by how many numbers are there? We have n numbers. So now here we have to find the sum. We don't know how many numbers are there. So we have to find the sum of n terms. So here what we will do? We'll use the concept of AP. Now separately I am solving here. If you will check this one, it is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. till n terms. So we have to find the sum of n terms. Whether it is in AP, 3 minus 1, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. So it is in AP. What we have in place of A, first term of the AP? 1. And what is the common difference of the AP? How we are calculating the common difference? Second term minus first term. So 3 minus 1, 2. So now we want the sum of n terms. So formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we will substitute the value. In place of n we have n numbers only. So n by 2 as it is. Inside the bracket what will come? 2 into 1. So that will be equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. So here it will be equal to n by 2 into, now we will open the bracket here. Then it will be equal to 2 plus 2n minus 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Then we will get here, I am writing here. This will be equal to n by 2 into 2n is remaining. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We will get the sum is equal to n square. So it will be better if you will learn this formula also, because in most competitive examination also this type of question can be asked. Find the sum of first n odd natural numbers. So sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. So we calculated the sum. Now we will write down there. Mean is equal to what we wrote, our sum we got here, n square by n. So mean of first n odd natural numbers will be equal to n only. Clear? Okay. So we will do the next question. Just to check, the next question is question number 2. Mean of x, write down, mean of x comma x plus 3 comma x plus 6 comma x plus 9 and x plus 12. Mean of x, x plus 3, x plus 6, x plus 9 and x plus 12 is 10. Find x. Question is find x. So it is given mean of this observation is 10. So only some observations are there and it is not repeated also. So directly we can use that formula only. Which one? Yes, mean is equal to sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation. So now we will write down. We are directly writing the sum there. So first it will be equal to x plus 3 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 12 divided by how many numbers are there? How many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have 5 numbers. So we will write here divided by 5. Now in the question already given, mean is equal to what? 10. So in place of mean we can substitute 10. So 10 is equal to, just to check, x added how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will be equal to 5x plus remaining 12. 12 plus 9, that will be equal to 21. 21 plus 6 will be equal to 27. And 27 plus 3 will be equal to, yes, 30. Once again, if you want, you can check the addition there. Here, 9 plus 3 will be equal to 12. And 12 plus 12, 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. So in any way, once you can check whether your addition is correct or not. Divided by 5. Now what we will do? Yes, we will shift 5 to left hand side. Now some students, what they are doing? They are cancelling here only 5 and 30 there. That is wrong. Why wrong? Because here 30 is added by 5x there. So we cannot do the cancellation when addition sign is there. Okay. So first we will shift 5 to left hand side. So 5 will get multiplied by 10 here. So it will be equal to 10 into 5. 50 is equal to 5x plus 30. Now 30 we can shift to left hand side. Then it will be equal to 50 plus 30 will become minus 30. So 50 minus 30, that will be equal to 20 is equal to 5x. Now we will shift 5 to left hand side. 5 is multiplied by x. So when you will change the position, it will get divided. So 20 divided by 5. What will be 20 divided by 5? Yes, 4. So value of x is equal to 4. So I think this question is clear to you. Okay. So we'll write the next question. Written. Okay. So all of you always do these works with me only there. Reading, writing, understanding. 3 things should go together. So write down question number 3. If mean of 6, 7, x, 8, y and 14 and no, this much only. Mean of 6, 7, x, 8, y, 14 is 9. Mean of these numbers is 9. Then find a relation between x and y. Question is find a relation between x and y. Question written? Okay. So once again, what we will write? Yes, we will write mean is equal to sum of all the observation. So it will be equal to 6 plus 7 plus x plus 8 plus y plus 14 by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are there. So divided by 6. Now what is the information given? Mean is 9. So in place of mean we can substitute 9 is equal to. Here we can do the addition. 14 plus 6 will be equal to 20. And 7 plus 8, how much? 7 plus 8 will be equal to 15. So 20 plus 15. So that will be equal to, yes, 35 plus this x and y is remaining there. X plus y by 6. Now this 6 we can shift to left hand side. Then it will be equal to 9 into 6. 9 6 are 54 is equal to 35 plus x plus y. Then 35 we can shift to left hand side. Then it will be equal to 54 minus 35. So shall I write the subtraction directly? What will come? 14 minus 5, 9. 4 minus 3, 1. So it will be equal to x plus y is equal to 19. In this question, we don't want the value of x and y. We want the relation in x and y. So this is the relation. Their sum will be equal to 19. Clear? Okay. So write down the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4, it is written, if mean of n observations, it is written, if mean of n observations is x bar, mean they gave by the letter x bar, a line at the top. If mean of n observations is x bar, then find the new mean if each observation is, mean of n observations is x bar. Find the new mean if each observation is added, subtracted, multiplied or divided by a, where a is a constant, a number there. Okay. So already mean is given. Now we have to check if we will add something in the observation, what will come. So we'll write down these cases separately there. So first case we are writing when each observation is added by a. Each observation is increased by a. So here how many observations are there? N observations are there. So write down, let x1, x2, etc. xn be n observations. Be n observations. Because in the question it is given n observations. Okay. Now what will come the formula? Mean is equal to, yes, it will be equal to x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn by n. Total number of observation is n. And already mean is equal to what is given? Mean of n observation is x bar. So this value will be equal to what? X bar. So value of x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn divided by n is equal to x bar. Now we are checking the first case. What is that first case? Each observation is added by a. So just write down there. Our new numbers will be equal to each observation. So the first number is added by a. Added, or it can be written as increased. Second observation also added by a. In this way each observation, last observation also added by a. How many? There is total n observations only. In each observation we added it by a. Now in this case, what will be the new mean? That we will check. Write down there. Any relation is there in the old mean and new mean. That we will check. Okay. So new mean, it will come in this way only. x1 plus a plus x2 plus a plus etc. plus xn plus a divided by total how many numbers are there? Yes, total we have n numbers only. So shall we write x1, x2, etc. together? Okay. So x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn plus, now just to check this one. A plus a plus a. What will be the addition? Here a doesn't mean that a is added 3 times there. Here 1a, then second, third, fourth. In this way total n a's are there. So for that, just I am giving you an example there. If a is added 2 times, what will be the answer? 2a. If a is added 3 times, what will be the answer? 3a. Similarly, if a is added 5 times, what will be the answer? 5a. So in this way, a is added how many times there? Total how many observations we have? N observation. So a is added n times. So their addition will be equal to na divided by n. Clear? Okay. Now what we will do? We will write them separately. How we will write? This one together and this one separately. So we are dividing it by n. So it will be equal to x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn divided by n plus na divided by n. So here n and n will get cancelled. Can you tell me what is this value? x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn divided by n. That is equal to x bar. So here it will be equal to x bar plus, what is the extra thing we are getting? A. So what is the meaning of this one? Just to check, your mean is also get added by a. So if each observation is increased by a, mean also will be increased by a. So based on this concept, mostly in multiple choice questions, these concepts can be asked. If each observation is increased by 5, write what will be the new mean. So that we will discuss. So the first part is over. What? When each observation is added by a. Now we will check if each observation is subtracted by a, then what will come? So again, second case, write down. Let x1, x2, etc. xn be n observations. Written. And already mean of all the observation is x bar only. So here I am writing directly. X bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn divided by n. Now we will write what is our new numbers, new observation. Each observation is decreased by a. So the first one will be equal to x1 minus a. Second one x2 minus a. In this way, last one will be equal to xn minus a. Now we have to find out the mean of these numbers. Now we will write mean is equal to x1 minus a plus x2 minus a plus etc. plus xn minus a divided by total how many numbers are there? Total n numbers are there. So again we will write these x1, x2, etc. together by n. I am skipping one step there. Plus here minus a, minus a, minus a. In this way, how many minus a's are there? N. So it will be equal to, yes, minus a, minus a, minus a will be equal to minus 3a. So in the same way, minus a added n times. So it will be equal to n into minus a divided by n. So again n and n will get cancelled. And what is this value? This value is equal to x bar. So here it will be equal to x bar. Plus and minus will be equal to minus x bar minus a. So if each observation is decreased by a, then mean also will get decreased by a. Clear how we are doing this one? Now this type of question will depend on the mark. If you are getting this question for 3 or 4 marks there, then you have to show all these steps. If it is coming of 1 mark, then directly you can write. Okay, I will explain you when we will discuss the examples. Now we will write down the third case. So for third case, these observations are common there. So again I am not writing, you just write down. Let x1, x2, etc. xn be an observation. Then x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn divided by n. Written? Okay. Now we will write new observations. New observations or new numbers. Now what we are doing in this case, each observation is multiplied by a. So our observations will be equal to now ax1 comma ax2 etc. axn. So now we will calculate the mean. Mean is equal to ax1 plus ax2 plus etc. plus axn divided by n. Total numbers are same only. So what we can take common in all the expression? A taken outside. Then inside the bracket what will remaining? x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn divided by n. And what is this value? This value is equal to x bar. So it will be equal to a into x bar. So if each observation is multiplied by a, mean also will get multiplied by a. In the same way, now we will check what will happen if we will divide each observation by a. This one all have written? Okay. So next one, if you want, you can write also directly there. Write down fourth case. Because this thing is common in all. So directly we can write down the fourth case. In fourth case, what we are doing? We are dividing each observation by a. So x1 divided by a, comma, x2 divided by a, etc. xn divided by a. So once again we have to find out what will be the new mean. So it will be equal to x1 by a plus x2 by a plus etc. plus xn by a whole divided by n. Anything common in all the terms? Yes, a is common, but a is in denominator. So what we can write? If when we will take it common, we will write it as 1 by a. Now inside the bracket remaining is x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn divided by, this we have taken common, so it is not there, divided by n. And what is this one? This one is x bar. So 1 by a into x bar. So that will be equal to x bar divided by a. So if each observation is divided by a, mean also will get divided by a. So I hope this concept is clear to you. Okay. All of you write down the next question. Mean of 20 observations is 13. Just write down. Mean of 20 observations is 13. Mean of 20 observations is 13. Find the new mean if each observation is increased by 5. So this question is of 1 mark only. Find the new mean if each observation is increased by 5. Written? Okay. So shall we write its answer directly? What is given? What is the mean? Mean is not equal to 20. Total 20 numbers are there whose mean is 13. Now it is saying that each observation is increased by 5. So in the previous question we proved everything. If each observation is increased by 5, mean also will get increased by 5. So just write down the answer there. New mean will be equal to 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. So from the statistics, 1 mark question can be asked there. So we have to practice these 1 mark questions. Written? Okay. So now write down the next question. Question number 6 is find the median of first 10 prime numbers. Question number 6 is find the median of first 10 prime numbers only. So we'll start writing the prime numbers. Yes, start with 1. No, 1 is neither prime nor composite. We'll start with 2. What are prime numbers? Divisible by 1 and itself. So first one is 2. Then, yes, 3. Then 5. Then 7. Then 9 will come? No. Okay. Then 11. Then, yes, 13. Then 15 will not come. Then what will come? 17. Then 19. Then after 19, 21 will not come. Don't check the even numbers there. Huh? Only just check the odd numbers. 21 will not come. 23. How many numbers we wrote? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more number. 25 not a prime number. 27 not a prime number. The next prime number is 30, 29. Correct? So we wrote all the prime numbers. First 10 prime numbers. Already it is arranged in ascending order only. How many numbers are there? 10. So we have n is equal to 10. So if we have n is equal to 10, then obviously we will have 2 middle terms there. What will be that 2 middle terms? Yes, 10 by 2th term plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. We will have 2 middle terms. We will take the average of that 2 middle term. 10 by 2 will be equal to 5th term plus 10 by 2 is 5 plus 1, 6th term divided by 2. That's why I wrote here 5th. Otherwise, if you will not write, what you will do? Here you will add in this way. 5 plus 6 by 2. So now what is our 5th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11. Plus 6th term is 13 divided by 2. So 13 plus 11 will be equal to 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus 1, 2. 24 divided by 2. It will be equal to 12. So median of first 10 prime numbers is 12. Clear? Okay. So all of you write down the next question. Question number 7. In question number 7 it is given mean of n observations is x bar. Mean of n observations is x bar. Then it is written if the first observation is increased by 1. Written if the first observation is increased by 1, second by 2, third by 3 and so on. In this way observations are increasing. Then find the new mean. Question written mean of n observations is x bar. If the first observation is increased by 1, second by 2, third by 3 and so on, find the new mean. So we will write first one. Let x1, x2, etc. xn be n observations. And already it is given their mean is equal to x bar. So shall I write directly here? X bar is equal to, yes, sum of all the observation. x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn divided by n. This is given. Now they are saying the first observation. Now we will write here what are the new numbers we have. The first one is increased by 1. So first observation will be equal to x1 plus 1. Second one will be equal to x2 plus 2. Third one in this way it will be equal to x3 plus 3. So in this way the last one will be equal to xn plus n. Now we have to find out the mean. So we will write in this way. Sum of all the numbers. x2 plus 2 plus x3 plus 3 plus etc. plus xn plus n divided by how many numbers are there? N. So now here x1, x2, etc. that we can write together. x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn divided by n. The remaining one 1 plus 2 plus etc. plus n divided by n. Have you did this question somewhere? Sum of first n natural numbers. So I am writing here directly. You just find out what will be the sum because it is in AP. You can find out the sum. This one we can write directly x bar. Now here I am writing the sum directly. Sum of first n natural numbers. You can find out using the concept of AP. Sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. And whole divided by n is there. So this n and n will get cancelled. So remaining it will be equal to x bar plus n plus 1 by 2. So this will be the new mean. And this one, if you will remember it as a formula, that will be better for you. Sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this one is clear? Okay. So all of you write down question number 8 is write the model class. Question number 8, write the model class. Class interval given and frequency is also given. In class interval, write down 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and last one is 50 to 60. And frequency is given 4, 4, 8, 10, 12, 8. Now here they haven't asked to calculate the mode there. They asked just to find out the model class. How we are calculating? This is 1 mark question only. How we are calculating the model class? Mode whose frequency is maximum. Maximum frequency is 12. So directly you can write down the answer there. Model class is equal to 40 to 50. They haven't asked to calculate the mode. Only model class you have to write. Okay. Now write down the next one. If the median of 6, 7, x minus 2, x, 17, 20. If the median of 6, 7, x minus 2, x, 17, 20 written in ascending order. So already these observations are written in ascending order. Is 16. Median of these observations is 16 is given. Then find x. So already in the question they said observations are written in ascending order. Then we don't have to check also. Just to check how many observations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 observations. So we have n is equal to 6. Then 2 middle terms will be there. If the observations are small, you can find out what will be the middle term. Normally in lower classes how we are finding? Just hide first number and second number, last number. Then second last numbers here. So remaining is, this will be the middle observation. And we have to take the average of these two middle observation. So it will be equal to x minus 2 plus x by 2. Median will be equal to this. But our median is given 16. So we can substitute here. 16 is equal to x plus x will be equal to 2x minus 2 by 2. So from here you can use two methods. First one is cross multiplication. Then it will be equal to 16 into 2. 32 is equal to 2x minus 2. Then minus 2 we can shift to left hand side. Then it will be equal to 32 plus 2. 34 is equal to 2x. Then 34 divided by 2 will be equal to 17. Then we will get x is equal to 17. Now second, if you don't want to do in this way, here you can check in both the expression 2 is common. So we can take 2 common. Inside the bracket what will come? X minus 1 divided by 2. So again 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Then we will get 16 is equal to x minus 1. Then minus 1 we can shift to left hand side. Then it will be equal to x is equal to 17. So all these questions can come for 1 mark and 2 mark. So you should practice all these questions. Written? Okay. Now all of you write down the next one. Question number 10 is, if the mean of first n natural numbers if the mean of first n natural numbers is 5n by 9. If the mean of first n natural numbers is 5n by 9, then find n. If the mean of first n natural numbers is 5n by 9, then find n. It is given this is equal to mean of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers. So first we can calculate what will be the mean of first n natural numbers. So according to the formula, it will be equal to sum of first n natural numbers. So instead of writing in this way, we can write in this way, divided by n, total numbers. Mean of first n natural numbers. So sum of all the natural numbers divided by n. So this one I said, you remember this as formula only. What was that? Sum of first n natural numbers? Yes, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole divided by n. So n and n will get cancelled. We'll get here n plus 1 by 2. So we are getting the mean of first n natural numbers is n plus 1 by 2. But in the question they gave, the mean is equal to 5n by 9. So we can equate. Okay, write down there. N plus 1 by 2 equal to 5n by 9. Now what we can do? Yes, cross multiplication. Then it will be equal to 9n plus 9 is equal to 5 2s are 10n. And we can 9n we can shift to right hand side. Then it will come 10n minus 9n. 10 minus 9, 1. So we will get n is equal to 9. So these simple questions can be asked because already you have 20 questions of 1 mark. That's why we are practicing it. Now next question is, find the upper limit of the median class. Find the upper limit of the median class. So all of you write down class interval and frequency given. 0 to 5, 6 to 11, 12 to 17, 18 to 23, 24 to 29. And the frequencies are given 13, 10, 15, 8 and 11. So we have to find out first what will be the median class. So median, first thing cumulative frequency distribution we want, and then the class interval should be continuous. Here you just check the upper limit and lower limit of the second one, not same. So first what we have to do? We have to make the class interval continuous. So here we can write down the new class interval. How we are doing? Yes, difference is 6 minus 5, 1. Then 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. Then how we are doing? Yes, subtract 0.5 from the lower limit. So 0 minus 0.5, that will be equal to minus 0.52. Add 0.5 to the upper limit. Then it will be equal to 5.5 to 11.5. 11.5 to 17.5. Then next 17.5 to 23.5. 23.5 to 29.5. And remember, while calculating the median, we have to find out the cumulative frequency. So first is 13. Then next 13 plus 10. 13 plus 10 will be equal to 23. Then 23 plus 15. So 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 38. Then 38 plus 8 will be equal to, yes, 46. Then 46 plus 11. So that will come equal to 57. So we are getting here total frequency is 57. Now what we are doing? We are calculating n by 2. What will come n by 2? Yes, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 8s are 28.5. So just to check the cumulative frequency, just greater than 28.5. That is 38. So your median class will be equal to 11.5 to 17.5. And after that you don't have to calculate the median. Just write down what is the upper limit of the median class. Here is the median class. What is the upper limit? The number on the right hand side. So median upper limit is 17.5. So I hope you are getting all these questions. Okay. So all of you write down the next one. Mean and mode of a data are 24 and 12. 24 and 12 respectively. Mean is equal to 24 and mode is equal to 12 is given. Question is find the median. Mean and mode of a data are 24 and 12. Find the median. So here we can use the relation. Yes, our relation, mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. Now we can substitute the value. Mode is given 12. So 12 is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean, that is equal to 24. So here we will get 12 is equal to 3 into median minus 24 into 2. So that will come 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 48. And 48 we can shift to left hand side. Then it will be equal to 48 plus 12. And 48 plus 12 will be equal to, yes, 60 is equal to 3 into median. So 3 we can shift to left hand side. Then it will get divided by 60. So we'll get 60 divided by 3. So it will be equal to 20. Yes, so median is equal to 20. So I hope today's questions are clear to you. This type of question you should practice there, because mostly in statistics chances are there that so many multiple choice question, 1 mark question can be asked. And homework already I gave you. So you all can do the homework there. In homework only 1 mark question, 2 marks questions are included there. So don't write so many steps. Okay. And in case of any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.